Okay, good morning everybody. I just thought I'd make a quick video after last night's tutorial that we did, that one. It was a lot of fun, and then we had a really good chat. So a couple of things that I wanted to preface before you go into the video. It was a quick one, and it's possibly my fault that I do paint quickly, and I find that keeps me loose as well. But for others to keep up with me, you might find it best to keep pausing the video. I really want you to slow down and pause. Take your time, do each step as we do it, and don't stress about not keeping up with me. I've had years of practice and experience, so that's why I want you to keep pausing the video. I apologize for the wonkiness of the actual recording. I had to get a new phone yesterday. I thought I had it set up properly. Wasn't quite right, but it's still a great video. There's nothing wrong with it. And my other camera, I need to work out how to not have it on an angle. That's my job for this week. Anyway, enjoy the video. Go right to the end, because I do turn the camera back down and we have more of a chat about finding hard and soft edges and our honey layer. So don't just, when I finish the artwork, don't just click off then. Wait and go back right to the end, because there's some really good information all the way through, so don't miss that. All right, hope you enjoy it. Join me next time for the that one, but we talk more about that at the end. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. There's also the Paint and Create Members Studio, so that you've got access to all the previous workshops as well. It's just $20 a month as a foundation member, and hopefully we can join and have lots of members and lots of conversation and build up our community. All right, thanks. Enjoy the tutorial, and I will see you next time. Bye.